Are you tired of sacrificing taste for health when it comes to your favorite fried foods? Say goodbye to greasy, calorie-laden dishes and hello to the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro. This innovative kitchen appliance is designed to revolutionize the way you cook, offering a fast, convenient, and healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. Ready to take your cooking to the next level? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro belongs in your kitchen. At the heart of the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro is its Air Crisp technology, which uses 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air to surround your food, delivering hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or perfectly roasted vegetables, this air fryer can do it all. And with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can enjoy your favorite foods guilt-free. But the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro is more than just an air fryer. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate with ease, giving you the versatility to create a wide range of dishes. From crispy snacks to full meals, this appliance has you covered. What sets the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro apart is its efficiency and convenience. With its large 5-quart capacity, you can cook up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for feeding the whole family. Plus, its intuitive controls and preset functions make it easy to use, so you can whip up delicious meals in minutes. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the non-stick basket and crisper plate, which are both dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to scrubbing pots and pans and hello to more time spent enjoying your meal. But perhaps the best part of the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro is the endless possibilities it unlocks in the kitchen. With its chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts, you'll never run out of ideas for delicious meals to try. From savory appetizers to decadent desserts, the only limit is your imagination. In conclusion, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer Pro is more than just an appliance. It's a game-changer for anyone looking to cook healthier, tastier meals with ease. With its innovative technology, versatile functionality, and user-friendly design, it's no wonder why this air fryer has become a must-have for kitchens everywhere. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.